Good day, everybody. The lesson today is lesson 8.1, which talking about find surface area of three-dimensional figures. We will discuss only three-dimensional figures: cylinders, cones, and spheres. How to find the surface area for each one of them. Before we start, I want you to save the rules, and then we will explain it and study it, okay? So before we start, just try to save the rules with me, okay? So, for cylinder, what's its surface area? Cylinder always in the shape of two circles, one up and one down, and rounded shape. So I have three parts: two circle, one, two, and rectangle. If you fold it, it will. If you expand it, it will be in the shape of rectangle. But I just want you to know that it has the following: it has height, and the circle has radius. So circle has radius and it has height. So what is the surface area equal? Surface area equal 2 pi r multiply r plus h. Pi here, it may equal 22/7 or 3.40. R represents radius, h represents height. Okay? Second, cone. What is the surface area of cone? Cone always in the shape of something like rectangle, and its base in the shape of circle. This part, this side, we can call it S or L, something like this, anything. And we call it slant. Slant height. Slant height. Okay? And we have also a radius. So how to find the surface area? Surface area equal by R, open bracket, R plus S or L. S is slant height, which is this side, and R represent radius, and pi equal, as we said before, 22/7 or 33.14. Third and last is the sphere. What is the surface area of the sphere? Sphere always in the shape of ball. So this is a sphere. Also, it has a radius. But it's not depend on the height or slant or something like this. Just the radius. So we can write the rule as 4 by r to the power 2. So before everything, just try to save it. If you save these three rules in your mind, it's easy to solve any problem about the surface area. We will not study except these three shapes: cylinder, cone, sphere. Okay? This is very system. So after we study it and we know it now, let's start to explain from where we get these rules and how to solve by it. Okay? Actually, we'll continue to the first example. He asked for the area, surface area of this cylinder. This cylinder, I need from it the following. First, I will solve it by myself, by my rule. Now you save the rule. The rule equal what? Rule equal surface area equal 2 by R multiply R plus H. What is the R here? R here is half the diameter. And diameter here equal 2, so R equal 1. So R equal 1. H for the height. So it's 14. And the R here is 1. By, he told me in the problem, use it with 3.14. So by equals 3.14. By substitution, you will find that SA equal 2 multiply 3.14 multiply R1 multiply 1 plus R equal 1 plus H equal 14. After doing the multiplication, it will find the answer is 94.2 feet square, because this is surface area. Okay? This is how to calculate. Let's talk about the book. How we get, from where we get this rule. We just save it as I told you. But from where we get this rule, just continue with me. If we expand this cylinder, we will find it consists of 3 shapes. Circle 1, circle 2. Circle 1, circle 2. Then if you fold the body, it will be in the shape of rectangle. Its base, rectangle has length and width. Width is equals the height, so it's equal 14. What about the length? Okay, length equal length equal 2 pi r. How? Because if you fold it, it's rounded the circle. It's around, this line is what around the circle. This line is considered what around the circle exactly. So it's the circumference of circle, which is 2 by r. So the length is 2 by r, and the width is h, which is 14. So it's length times width, which is equal 2 by r h. Okay, this is the first step. So we calculate the first one. It will be 2 by r h equal 87, sorry, 0.92 feet square. What about the other 2 circles? Just find the area of one of them and multiply it by 2. Area of circle equal by r to the power 2. R here equal 1 and pi equal 3.14. So it will be 3.14. We will multiply it by 2 because this is 2 circles. 2 circles. And add the area of rectangle to them. This is the area of rectangle. You will find the same answer as we solved before. So you know now from where we get this rule. Actually, this rule equal surface area equal by 2 by r to the power 2 plus, this is the two area of the circle, this two circle, area of two circle, plus area of rectangle, which is 2 by RH. If we use the distribution property, we can take down, out the factor 2 by R, and the remaining here in the first term will be R plus, when we take it from the second term, the remaining will be H. So it's, as I said to you before, it's 2 by R multiply R plus H. This is how we get the rule. Now you save the rule, you know how to get the rule. Let's apply it on the triad example. Let's apply my way. What is the surface area of cylinder of height 9.5? So this is H. And radius 2.5. This is R. Using my rule, surface area equal 2 by R multiply R plus H equal. He didn't give me the value of pi here, but I think he needs the answer in the term of pi, so we will not substitute pi by anything. Okay? So it's 2 multiply R, which is R here equal 2.5, multiply by, and 2.5, which is the radius, plus the height equal 9.5. After calculation, you will find it 60 pi. Okay? This is how to solve a problem by yourself. We don't have to use the book way because it's hard something. My way is better, and you know it's come from where? The book starts from the beginning, area of 2 square plus area of rectangle, then calculate the area of 2 square, then calculate the area of rectangle, then you will find the answer. Okay. Another example. What about the cone? Cone consists, as you see, of two parts. Circle and something like triangle but with curved side. We call this side slant. Okay? Slant here is like the slope, and this is considered the height of the cone, the part of the cone. So to calculate it, it's equal by R L. L or S, as I told you before. And the area of the circle is pi R to the power 2. Add them together, you will find it. But if you use my way, this is the way. Get the area of circle, and then the area of triangular cone, the other part, curve, okay, the curved surface, and we call it sometimes lateral area. So this area is lateral area. Okay? Add them together, you will find the rule. But if you use my rule, surface area equal by R multiply R plus L, which is equal, he asked for pi here 3.14, multiply R here equal 1.5, 1.5 plus L equal the height 6. Multiply them, you will find at the end it's equal 35.325 inch square. Another question. It's about the sphere. And to find the sphere, you have to put it inside the cylinder, calculate the center, the area of the cylinder, surface area of the cylinder, then you get the area. But as I told you before, I have my shortcut way, which is 4 by r to the power 2. So it's 4, r here equal, he gave it to me, he said that the radius equals 6. So instead of r, we will put 6. And instead of pi, he said use pi equal what? Pi equals 3.14. Okay? So it will be equal 452. So it's 4 by r to the power 2. Or 4 by r times r. Okay, let's solve that right one. What is the surface area of a cone of radius 7 feet? So this is r. And the height and slant height of the hole, and a slant height of 9 feet. So slanted height, which is s, and use by 22/7. Okay, surface area for cone equal by r plus s. 22/7 multiply r here equal 7 multiply 7 plus 9. 7 with 7, it will be 22 multiply 7 plus 9, 16. And then find it. 22 times 16. 6 times 2 is 12. 1. 2 times 6 is 6 plus 1 equals 7. 0, 22. It will be 292 centimeter square, or here with what, feet square. Okay. Next one. What is the surface area of sphere with the diameter is d equal 2.7, but area of sphere equal, surface area of sphere equal 4 by r power 2, but I don't have r. I have d, but d equal to r, and r equal half d. So r equal half multiply 2.7. It will be equal 13.5, 1.35. This is r. By substitution, it's 4 multiply 3.14. He said to me to use it by 3.14. Multiply 1.35 to the power 2. Use your calculator, you will find the volume. It's nice to be with you. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you. Bye.